Welcome to this holistic tutorial. Today we'll explore one of our most powerful features, the difference between primary and secondary variants when listing products on your website. Let's start with the basics. When listing a product in the All Products section, you'll begin by adding your product name, selecting the appropriate category, and writing a compelling description. You'll enter your pricing and stock details, followed by uploading your product images. Once these essential steps are complete, you'll reach the variant section, and this is where the magic happens. Let's look at our first example, a stylish top. Here, we are adding variants step by step. The first variant we'll add is size. Simply enter all available sizes for this product. Notice the add another variant option. You can create as many variants as needed. For this top, we also have different sleeve style available. We will enter all sleeve options in the variant value section. You can also see a primary variant which we will look into a little later in the tutorial. We will add one more variant option. In this case it's to describe that we are selling the top both with a feeding zip and also without it. Once all variant options are filled, we can go ahead and mark the price changes as per variants on the next page. These are called secondary variants. On the next page, you can set additional costs for each variant combination. For example, if the 3/4 sleeve style costs 50 rupees more to produce, you can add that here. In this example, we are adding extra costs for a larger size and for including feeding zip. After reviewing all variants, you can make your product live. Your customers will see all these options clearly displayed on your website. The website will display your product with all the variant combination and its corresponding prices. Now, let's explore primary variants with a more complex example, an ethnic set that includes a top, bottom, and dupatta. After adding the basic details, we reach the variants section. Here's where primary variants shine. Notice the primary variant checkbox? Let's select it for our set option. This makes perfect sense because we are offering two distinct sets, one complete set with the dupatta and another with just the top and bottom. These represent fundamentally different products at different price points. Here we have added the set as the primary variant and the values as the kurti, bottom and dupatta as one set and just the top and bottom as another variant. We can still add secondary variants like size and zipper options. The key difference? The primary variant has its own base price, while secondary variants only add or subtract from that base price. We can add the selling price for the primary variant and the additional costs for the secondary variants on the next page against the variant value. Once we are done with adding the prices, let's preview this on the website. Watch how the price dynamically changes as customers select different combinations. The primary variant sets the foundation price, and secondary variants adjust it accordingly. Key advantage: primary variants let you set one main price with others building upon it. This eliminates the need to manually price every possible combination, a huge time saver for complex products.